Hello, we're going to start with Urban Decay's primer. So you're just going to use any primer of your choice to start this look. And we're just going to apply a little bit with a flat-headed brush. Ooh, that's right. The next step is to use a matte base color, preferably a light pink or a light yellowish white. This will help create a look of the animal's eye, which is a cat today. And we're just going to fill in the entire lid. With your choice of a lighter matte color. Now, as this is a cat eye, you're going to bring the color just slightly outside the lash line into a point to help create the appearance of a cat eye. The next thing we're going to be doing is lining the eyes with a basic black pencil. This is Urban Decay 0. Something to keep in mind is that this is a costumey look, not generally something you'll wear every day. So you're going to bring the black eyeliner from the edge of the lash line to the outer rim of the eyebrows. Not all the way, but about a quarter. And then we're going to line the, not the waterline, but the bottom lashes. There we go. And what we're going to do here to create a bit more of that costumey effect is, instead of carrying the black line all the way along the edge of her line, at about midpoint, we're going to come straight out.